Hi, my name is John Hanna, and I'm going to be talking about education reform and foreign language in primary schools. As our nation steps further into the 21st century, one must analyze the United States education system and criticize the lack of diversity and innovative learning techniques in primary schools. We are a diverse nation, living in a globalized and radically interconnected world that asks for nothing but the highest quality of performance out of our citizens. In order to address these vital factors and improve the standards of education in our country, our nation must press forward into the future and revamp the education system by incorporating foreign language education into primary schools. First and foremost, the United States hosts a multitude of different languages and cultures, earning the title the melting pot. In fact, according to the 2010 U.S. Census Bureau, there are over 60.5 million citizens who speak a language other than English in the United States, 62% of which speak primarily Spanish. When one narrows down the lens to the city of Los Angeles, the census confirms that about 1.89 million citizens identify themselves under a white or Caucasian ethnicity, while 1.9 million people, a little over 50% of the population, identify themselves under different ethnicities. In the past, the U.S. has seen some dark history in how the country has dealt with diversity and tolerance. However, in this day and age, cultural awareness and tolerance has slowly but surely taken root all over the U.S., and many schools have begun to incorporate cultural education into their curriculum. Allowing our nation's children the opportunity to learn a foreign language in primary school instills cultural tolerance and awareness, promotes rational and creative thought, and helps communities connect with one another, further generating peace. Secondly, the U.S. needs to encompass foreign language education in primary schools for the purposes of competing in a globalized and radically interconnected world. With social network sites like Facebook and Twitter booming, the digital age has shrunk our large and diverse world and led towards advanced global communities. In order for the United States to hold a contending role in this global community, we must educate our youth on what to expect in the outside world, especially in regards to language and culture. Outside of the social networking world, one will find the industrialized world, an even more diverse and complex realm full of different languages and cultures. Countries like China and India, to name a couple, are experiencing booming economies and flourishing trade due to industrialization and outsourcing. Foreign language education allows U.S. citizens to engage and compete in these foreign markets and act as respectable diplomats and representatives of our home nation in the global market. Through foreign language education in primary schools, we can not only shape honorable and powerful U.S. citizens, but also global citizens. Lastly, foreign language education in primary schools proves a major benefit towards other subject areas by way of integrated learning. Many schools across the nation incorporate into their foreign language programs what is known as the 5 C's: communication, culture, connections, comparisons, and community. According to a study by Curtin and Dahlberg in 2004, this base of curriculum has proven to reinforce and enhance the knowledge of the English structure and vocabulary. This was further evidenced by Dumas in 1999, where a study of 13,200 3rd and 5th graders from Louisiana revealed that, regardless of gender, race, or academic level, children taking foreign language classes did better on the English section of the Louisiana Basic Skills Test than those who did not. Along with enhancement in the English language, foreign language has proven to show improvements in mathematics, social studies, and listening and memory skills as well. In a study completed in 1994 by Eaton, students in the first Kansas City foreign language magnet schools surpassed national averages in all subjects by the time they reached the 5th grade. Students with a background in foreign language education have proven time and time again that the style of learning hosts many positive benefits outside the particular subject, overlapping in other subject fields like English, math, and social studies. Public education at its very core is nothing more than an investment by its government in its citizens for the purposes of advancing, enhancing, and empowering its people. By chartering new education reform to establish foreign language education in primary schools, U.S. citizens are choosing to invest in much more than just a language enhancement. Foreign language education teaches cultural awareness, promotes peace and tolerance, improves knowledge in core subject areas, and enhances basic communication skills like listening and memory. This is essential education reform, and it's one small step for our children, but one giant leap for our future and our nation. Thank you.